Clients don't just want someone who can build websites. They want someone who understands their business, someone who teaches, shares, and leads. That's where content marketing comes in. In this lesson, I'll show you how to use blogging and content creation to build authority, generate leads, and make your web design business the obvious choice in your niche. Step 1. Understand the purpose of content marketing. Content isn't just about traffic, it's about trust. When you publish helpful, relevant content, you attract your ideal clients. Answer their questions before they even ask. Show up in Google search results. Give people a reason to come back. Warm up cold leads without pitching. Done well. Your content builds a reputation before you ever hop on a call. Step 2. Pick your primary platform. There are lots of ways to share content. Pick one main hub to start. Options: a blog on your website, LinkedIn articles or carousels, a newsletter on platforms like ConvertKit or Substack, Medium, Webflow blog, or Ghost. Use your blog as home base. Then repurpose each post into tweets, LinkedIn posts, or short videos. Step 3. Plan topics your clients care about. The key is writing for your clients, not other designers. Ask, what questions do new leads always ask me? What common website mistakes do I fix? What myths do clients believe about web design? Example blog ideas. 5 things holding your website back from converting. Homepage checklist for coaches and consultants. When to redesign your website and when not to. Squarespace versus WordPress, which is better for small biz? Keep it useful, keep it specific, keep it focused on their goals. Step 4. Use a simple structure. Every blog post should 1. Start with a hook, why this matters. 2. Offer clear advice or steps. 3. Include a call to action like book a free consult or download this checklist. Use headers, bullet points, and bold text to make it skimmable. A 500 to 800 word post is plenty. You don't need to write essays. Step 5. Create a simple writing habit. You don't need to write every day. Start with 1 post per month, then repurpose it across platforms. Batch your ideas in Notion or Google Docs. Use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to edit. If writing isn't your thing, speak your thoughts into a voice recorder and transcribe. The point is consistency, not perfection. Step 6. Let your content sell for you. Once you've published a few strong posts, link to them in proposals. Share them with new leads. Add them to your email signature. Create a resources page on your site. Use them in nurture sequences. Now your content is working even when you're not. Content marketing isn't just a nice to have. It's a way to earn trust at scale and attract clients who are already bought in. In the next and final lesson, we'll help you zoom out and define your long-term vision, whether you want to stay lean or build something big.